Once upon a time, in a world not too different from our own, artificial intelligence, AI, was in its infancy. Despite its promise, many were skeptical of its ability to impact the world in meaningful ways. However, as AI technology evolved, it quickly became clear that its impact would be nothing short of revolutionary. One of the first industries to feel the effects of AI was manufacturing. With the ability to process vast amounts of data, AI-powered machines could optimize production processes, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. This allowed companies to produce goods faster and at a lower cost, boosting the global economy and creating jobs. Another area where AI made a big difference was healthcare. By analyzing patient data and medical research, AI systems were able to diagnose diseases faster and more accurately than human doctors. This helped to save countless lives and improved health outcomes for people around the world. However, the impact of AI was felt most acutely in developing countries, where poverty and food insecurity were major issues. In Africa, for example, AI was used to improve agriculture. By analyzing weather patterns and soil data, farmers were able to optimize their crop production, reducing waste and increasing yields. This helped to increase food security, reduce poverty, and improve the lives of millions of people. As AI technology continued to advance, it also began to play a role in education. By analyzing student data and personalizing learning experiences, AI-powered tutors were able to help students learn faster and more effectively. This not only helped to improve educational outcomes, but also opened up new opportunities for people, regardless of their socioeconomic background. Finally, AI also made a significant contribution to reducing poverty and promoting equality. By automating many manual tasks, AI systems helped to create new jobs and reduce the cost of goods and services. This allowed more people to access the resources they needed to improve their lives, breaking the cycle of poverty and helping to create a more equitable world. In conclusion, AI has the potential to change the world in profound ways. Whether through improving industries, promoting equality, or reducing poverty and food insecurity, AI has the power to make a real difference in the lives of people everywhere. And in Africa, where poverty and food insecurity are major issues, AI has the potential to help create a brighter future for millions of people.